Hello and welcome to this Digital Factory presentation in which we're going to take a look at the great new tiling toolset in VPM and show how the options allow the user to set these functions up in a way to suit their personal preferences. Now first let's take a look at using automatic tiling. In a separate presentation we explain about Digital Factory's multiple queue facility and how it can be used for a range of different workflows. One option here would be to create an additional production queue and call it oversize. You can see at the top here I've already done this. If you want to see how simple it is to set up another queue, then take a look at the multiple queues presentation. Okay, so I have a queue that is going to take care of all my oversized jobs. Now I'm going to go to the queue menu and select properties. You can see my queue name is listed here, so the properties I apply are only applied to this queue and none of the others that I may have set up. Now in the layout manager I'm going to tick this box so that all my oversized jobs are tiled on import to VPM. I can also select this tab and set up my overlap preferences. Say if you want 5mm extra space at the bottom and right edges of each tile, just enter those values here. Now with that done, let's jump over to CorelDRAW, the design application I've used to edit this image that you can see on screen. The size the finished job needs to be produced far exceeds my media size, so it will need to be tiled. Look how easy it is to select this option from within CorelDRAW. When I go to the File menu and select Print, I will then only need to select my queue named Oversize to ensure that this job is automatically tiled when imported to VPM. Okay, so let's jump over to VPM now. Okay, take a look. Here is the job broken down into sections and ready to go. So I could now send this to my printer. A very simple workflow that works seamlessly with your chosen design application. An added advantage is being able to edit the tile lines to suit the individual image. By clicking the tile tab here, the image is placed in this simple to use tiling interface. I can now move these tile lines if needed, so I may want to adjust the line so that it does not pass through a key point of the image. Or maybe I would like to even up the spacing between tiles. Either way, it's simple to do this by sliding the tile breaks on screen. We can use this interface on any object that arrives in VPM regardless of which queue you are using, simply by just selecting the job and hitting the tile tab. Automatic or manual tiling enables great control over those larger jobs, and there are many other preferences that can be changed to ensure the workflow suits your business. Take a look at some of the other great presentations on Digital Factory or talk to your CADLink dealer to find out more.